how to get pack hourglasses in Pokemon TCG Pocket. So I'm just going to load up the application here, and I'll just log into my account just like that. So once we have the app open, here's what we want to do. Now, if we click on the hourglass itself in the top right corner, it's going to tell us that it reduces the time to open packs by 1 hour, and it's obtainable as mission rewards and so forth. But what does so forth mean? If we go to the home screen here in the bottom left corner, just like that, as you can see, we have the missions in the bottom right corner this time. If I click on it, if we complete these missions, we can claim 24 hourglass pack hourglasses. Now, if you have completed your missions, how else can we get hourglass? If we go to the shop here, you should be able to see that you can purchase them, and there are different types of pack hourglass. So we have the regular one, we have the wonder hourglass, the pack hourglass ×6, and ×6 you can buy ×6. So here, as you can see, we can spend this currency that we have, the shop tickets, to get some more pack hourglass, and also the refreshed monthly hourglass, which obviously update every month. And that's how you can get pack hourglass in Pokemon TCG Pocket. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.